Hi everyone, I have a few questions. Uh, how to install floor over the tile and can we level tiles, what kind of primer we have to use. For example, you see here is the tile, very shiny and it's solid. We can level, we can install something over this tile, but it looks like on top some silicone. I'm I'm really scared when shiny floor and need to do some leveling on installation, and I always do grinding. In other things, all tiles not flat. It's really hard to find the ends of the tile. It's just flat. Always something up. And I already start grinding. You see, and you see the brown spots. It's already I remove whole glassy uh, top, kill the ceramic, and you see most of ends on the perimeter of tiles. It was up, and I grind a lot. So middle down, sides up. So when I remove whole shiny top, after that I can glue it, I can level it, I can use primer, I can use plummy patch before leveling. So, but if you're not grinding and wanna do it as it is, you have to use very expensive uh, a coating. If you wanna do a leveling, when you finish grinding, you have to use T primer for Mapei from Mapei. Don't use regular primer L because you need bonding, better bonding. Right here, always try to come as close as you can to the wall and grind the tiles, because you see there is I grind a lot from one piece. The guys who did the tiles, they install it's not even, and I have to remove a lot. Uh, in this place before was a laminate floor, and previous installers they just break some tiles which was not holding pretty well, and then put some self-leveling compound, but I don't know how they level. They just fill the compound, and you see it was not even also, and I grind this compound. When you start leveling, it can be unstick, or when you start installation, if floor not even, like you see whole tiles not even, it's like bowl whole tiles, and I wanna do glue down installation, so need to make all floor flat. You see, I showed the line which is left with a glassy top, and I'm just coming very close to the wall to do grinding, removing this. See, now it's fine. I grind all this place. I don't have budget for leveling. It's pretty well. For me, I will do leveling, but customer won't leave it as it is. So that's why I just make everything flat, and then I'm doing glue down hardwood floor installation. So I'm putting uh, Bostic, sorry, Bona glue. This is my favorite glue now. Very very good bonding, easy to spread, and before, for example, if you use Bostic, if you left some spots on pre-finished hardwood flooring on top, very hard to clean, and this is really easy to clean. You see, when it's flat, easy to install. I can't show you whole when I finish this room because it's still on So I'm just doing it, you know, I'm not finished it, but I will just show you the part how I prepare and start installation. So I hope it will help you in your future projects. So never install and do leveling if you're not grinding shiny top from the tiles, or it's granite. Any tile surfaces need to first grind it. So grinder, it's your the best friend. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any question, don't hesitate, ask me. I will always answer you. See you on next video.